Today we are making shredded potato wraps, a proper Chinese comfort food that I have eaten since I was little. It's simple, homey, and absolutely delicious. Everyone in my family loves it. Once you have learned this, you will never need to buy it from the takeaway again. Alright, let's start with the dough. Into a large bowl, add about 500 grams of plain flour, a small spoon of salt. That helps the dough rest nicely. Now, pour in around 10 grams of hot water, just enough to scald half of the flour. This gives you that perfect, soft but bouncing texture. Add 2 spoons of starch. Then slowly pour in about 200 grams of room temperature water, a little at a time. Keep stirring as you go. We don't want any lumps. When it starts to come together, go in with your hands and start kneading. Add a little more flour or water if you need it. Just trust your hands here. Once it's smooth and springy, cover it and let it rest for about 30 minutes. After half an hour, it's puffed off just a touch. Perfect. Add a little oil on your board, spread it around, then bring the dough out. It's still a little bit sticky, but that's fine. Knead it again for a minute or two, and you will see it slowly absorbing the oil. Look like that shine. Lovely. Cover it again. Another 10 minutes, and you will have a beautiful silky dough. Now, slice this in half. Roll each into a long log. Cut into small portions, 1 piece per wrap. Flip the cassette up. Drizzle a bit of oil and stuck 2 pieces together. That way you can put them apart later really easily. Roll them out into nice round shapes, and we're ready to cook. Heat your pan on high. Add some oil, and once you see a tiny bit of smoke, in goes the dough. The edges will turn slightly translucent. Turn the heat down to medium and flip. See those bubbles in the middle? That's what you want. They will puff off beautifully. That means it's cooked through. Flip it again, and all that counts. Look how thin and flaky that is. Keep going one by one. If the pan looks dry, drizzle a bit more oil around the edge. Don't be shy with the oil. It keeps the wrap golden and stops it sticking. Now onto the filling, my favorite part. Peel your potatoes and slice them into thin strips, nice and even. Drop them straight into a bowl of water so they don't go brown. Cut your carrots into thin matchsticks. Chop some spring onion, ginger, and garlic, all the good stuff. Heat your wok on high, add oil, then in go the onion, ginger, and garlic. Give it a quick stir fry. Add a few Sichuan peppercorns, just for that hint of fragrance. Then stir in your potatoes and carrots. Stay fried nice and fast. Keep them crispy. Don't overcook. Now season soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, a splash of vinegar, a drizzle of sesame oil, and finally half a spoon of SMG. Optional, but it makes it taste just like home. Give everything a good toss, and we're done. Now grab one of those wraps, still warm. Add a spoonful of those glassy, tangy potatoes, roll it up, and take a bite. Honestly, that's exactly the taste of my childhood. Soft wrap, crunchy potato, a little sour, a little savory, just perfect. Give it a try at home. It's easily affordable and honestly so satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more proper Chinese home cooking. See you next time!